am Andreas Mitsis, the president of EODH. And as you know, Army Recognition knows, EODH is a 25 years track record company specializing in protection and survivability technologies. We belong to the European ecosystem, defense ecosystem. We are categorized as preferred suppliers for a lot of systems, including the main battle tank Leopard. We are also engaged in the next generation of MBTs. Our technologies included the ASPIS, which is a state-of-the-art survivability technology, combines active, passive, reactive, ERA and NERA technologies. However, over the years, the company became an expert in other directions, such as upgrades, follow-on support, and new technologies. We have launched a new 10,000 square meters factory, the EODH Dynamics, which will broaden our horizons and help in the need of the capacity for the European defense. Now here you can see the Leo 185, a legendary platform. However, it has been proven in the battlefield there are platforms which they will never die. Leo 185 is in the storage or is in the capability of the Greek army as well successful. We have been engaged in enhancing its survivability, and what you see there is a combination of our systems which can be integrated and have the MBT into the battle directly. For us, it's a question of proving technologies. The evolution of the technologies led us to put this suit, because when you talk about technologies of protection, it's a combination of technologies, systems, and materials. Concerning Leo 185, we are in negotiations with the country about the upgrade of this MBT. You can see here a legendary platform which is in service in Greece and in Cyprus. This platform is a legendary but also still in action. Like every platform, it needs upgrade. Very difficult because it comes from Steyr. It was an old Steyr product. With our partner who bought the IPR rights, Duma, we make a proposal to different countries. We make a nice package using new engine, Caterpillar, or similar gearbox, new gearbox, in other words, new power back. And also, we will provide an excellent protection kit. The secret of this vehicle is you are dealing with very nice steel, not aluminum, together with our systems and protection without topping too much. The way you can achieve protection, mobility, and in time of need, you can use it. Because Cyprus and Greece, they are in need of platforms. As a follow-up of what we said about the Leo, EODH proudly can announce that we are deeply honored to KMW, KNDS Deutschland, because we participating. We have been invited, signed, and participating in the so-called Rambab 500, which means 500 Leo on the way. And we are pleased to announce that we are part of this effort. Second point is that with this platform, the Leonidas, how they call it in Greece, we can serve the needs in a reasonable time. To have a prototype, you are talking about 1 to 2 years, between 1 to 3 years. In any event, to have a new platform, you need 10 years. We are in discussions with two countries about the fortune of this vehicle. And we are reasonably optimistic that we will make some announcements soon. As I said, it's an excellent platform, low profile, and fully equipment, digitalized inside, new engine, new gearbox, and then we give a follow-up support, extended life for another 20 years. So it's a good effort. As you can see here, EODH enhances its portfolio, including a new agreement with a good track record company, Australian American, EOS. There is a platform, and then you have to decide, or the user has to decide, what WIAPA station you are installing. So we gave to the user option. We have been dealing until now with Valhalla, with the Mingrad and the other WIAPA stations. Now we are enhancing our cooperation, and we have signed an agreement with EOS yesterday in order that EODH will be able to manufacture the turrets locally, which is a major impact into our offer. It gives a momentum, and is very important. For the first time, a Greek company is engaging in this kind of business, and we are proud. Regarding the current cooperation, we have presented to Hellenic Army different solutions for the upgrade of Leo 2A4, together with Duma and Kraus-Maffei, upgrade of Leo 1A5, together with Duma and KMW, and also M113, Leonidas, and on the way, an American platform, the M60. We are taking concrete steps in order to cover the necessary capacity for the European defense. And you have seen inside the picture of the new factory, which we have signed a contract, and in 1 year they have to deliver a turnkey project, 10,000 square meters production facility for upgrades, for the manufacturing of hoplite, our 4x4 in different variations, and a generation of hoplites, the upgrade of platforms, and the manufacturing of the turrets, as well as hosting and cooperating with the company JEP about integrating in our systems UAVs, such as Panoptis and others.
I welcome you to our pavilion. KETAK, as it is the Greek abbreviation, is the Hellenic Research, Technological and Innovation Center. This is a new organization about research in Greek Army. This in DEFEA 2025 we produce two new systems, which is completely developed, researched and developed in-house. The first is a portable anti-drone system for Class 1 drones based on NATO classification. And the second one is an FPV drone, loitering munition, which has capabilities of 15 minutes duration, 10 kilometers of distance. It can carry 1 pound of explosive. Our participation here in DEFEA 2025, our role is to increase the operational capabilities of the Greek Army to produce mature systems in order our armed forces to be able to act operational. Secondly is to become known and to see if we can cooperate with other research centers, companies, defense industry, whoever has the innovation, universities, the innovation as main task of their job. This is our basic reason that we are here.
Thank you so much for this opportunity. My name is Bogdan Bărbulescu. I'm the director of Digital Bit, a company which is dealing for more than 21 years for remote control weapon stations. We present here at DEFEA some of our solutions. So we develop a product which is called Resilient X11, which is an advanced combat system, which makes this vehicle which is behind me from a commercial vehicle in a very intelligent and capable fighting vehicle. So what you see behind me, it's a weapon station on which we integrate not only the machine gun, but also the missile. We have a Javelin missile above. You have the capability not only to fight with different threats, small threats like soldiers or smaller vehicle, but you are able to engage even bigger tanks from a safety distance. This is a great capability. It's our third time participation on the fair. We are presenting here on one side to the domestic customer our capabilities, but also to the international potential customers. We believe that they will appreciate our solution and our company will develop based on this.